Hello guys, good morning. This is Gani from Pinoy Entrepreneur. This morning I will teach you how to configure the static or how to put and configure the static IP address of your workstation. This is the first layer of security because hacking nowadays is rampant. So let's begin by clicking here, start, then click control panel, then click view network status and task, and then here in this case I'm using a wireless connection, so I'm not using the cable. So it's the same process if you're using a network cable or a wireless network connection. So here you just click wireless network connection and then click details. On the details you will see IPv4 address. In this one, this IP address, this is the IP address of the workstations, either a laptop or a desktop, and you have this IPv4 subnet mask. This is subnet mask because this is a class C IP address, and the default gateway is 192.168. This one, the default gateway. So if you want to use a static IP address because you want to kick out any unsolicited connection or unknown connection from outside or from hackers like that, so you can put a static IP address here, then just click this one, TCP IPv4, double click, then here you will see the this area here that you need to put this static IP address. Like here, use the following IP address. So in this case, if I will put a static IP address on this computer, so I will just put 192.168.109 and then just click here. The computer will automatically fill up the subnet mask. This is a class C IP address and the default gateway is 192.168.100.1. So that's how you configure an static IP address to workstation. This is important if you want to set a security from the network from hacking or from unauthorized use from outside, because you have the ability to kick out all those devices that is not connected on your network by using the static IP addressing. So in this case you just click OK, then OK, close, then close. Still your computer will connect to the internet via your router, your gateway, and in this case you have the ability to kick out any unauthorized connection from outside. So that's for now. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.